Hello viewers, how are you all doing? I hope you are all fine, right? Alright. Today I want to solve this question with you guys. This question came in was 2016. Yeah, but before you get into the video, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, like and share and comment down below. Alright, let's get started. We have this question. It says that the diagram above the cross section of a bridge with a semicircular hollow in the middle. If the perimeter of the cross section is 34 meters, calculate the length of PQ, which is line PQ, this whole length, and the area of the cross section. Take pi as 22/7. So now, first things we need to look at is analyze the statements that is given to us. It says that the semicircular hollow in the middle, which means this is a semicircle, and we all know that a semicircle has an angle of how much? 180 degrees, right? So we want to know this length, the length of this arc, or the length of this semicircle, right? And which is also equal to length of arc. Let me say maybe length of arc TS, right? TS is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r, right? We know that the theta there is going to be equals to 180 degrees because it's a semicircle. So we now say 180 all over 360 times 2 times 22 all over 7 times, but we don't know r, right? So now let's say this whole length be x. So therefore this x is going to be the diameter, and half of a diameter is going to be the radius. So you now say x all over 2 as the radius, right? So you now simplify this. This cancels this, 0 cancels 0. Maybe 9 goes here 2 times in the 36, that's 4 times, yeah, and 2 goes here once in the 4 2 times. This 2 cancel this 2, so we're now going to have 22 times x all over 7 times 2. 22 all over x is 2 goes once in the 22 11 times, so we are now going to have 11x all over 7 as our length of arc. And we are given the perimeter, and the perimeter is 34 meters. The perimeter is the sum of all the dimensions, like this length plus this length plus this length plus this length, because it says the perimeter of the cross section, meaning this part is not there. So we are going to add the length of this arc plus this plus this plus all these other sides, which will give us 34 meters. And this is a rectangle, like I can say before this semicircle was there. It's a rectangle, and a rectangle, the two opposite lines are equal, right? So we're now going to say 2 plus x plus 2 is equals to here. So meaning these two sides are equal. So if here is the summation of this is going to be 4 plus x, that's 2 plus 2, 4 plus x is 4x, 4 plus x. So here also is going to be 4 plus x. So now let's find the value of x right now. So you're now going to say 4 plus 4 plus this side, which is 4 plus x, plus the length of arc, which is 11x, 11x all over 7. If you add all, it should be equal to 34 meters. So you now simplify. 4 plus 4 is plus 4 plus x plus 11x all over 7 is equals to 34. This is going to be 12x, this is going to be 12 plus x plus 11x all over 7 is equals to 34. So we now move 12 to the right hand side. This is going to be x plus 11x all over 7 is equals to 34 minus 12, and 34 minus 12 is, let me see, 34, 12, 4 minus 2, that's 2, 3 minus 1, that's 2. Yeah, so we have here as 22, and here we are going to have x plus 11x all over 7. So we now find LCM of this side. The LCM is 7. 1 into 7, 7 times x, we are going to have 7x plus 11x, which is equals to 22. Alright, so we cross multiply, and we are going to have 7x plus 11x is equal to 22 times 7, and 22 times 7 is equals to 7 times 2, 14, 4 carry 1, 7 times 2, 14, 4 plus 14 plus 1, which is 15. So we are going to have 7x plus 11x, which is equals to 154. So 7 plus 11, that's going to be 18x, which is equals to 154. If you divide both sides by 18, 18 cancels 18. Now x is going to be equals to, let's simplify it by, maybe let's use 3, no, 2. 2 goes into 18 9 times, in the 15 it is 7 times, remainder 1, in the 14 7 times. Right, so we have 77 all over 9. We now say 77 all over 9. So we simplify that with 77 divided by 9, which is equals to 8.555. Let's stop to 4 decimal place. So we know x as 8.555. So let's round it up to the nearest whole number. It's going to be 9 meters. So we have x as 9 meters, and half of 9 is going to be the radius, right? So what the question is, find length PQ, which is this length. So we are now going to say length PQ is equals to 4 plus x, where x is equals to 9. I'm going to say 4 plus 9 is equal to 15 meters, sorry. So length PQ is equals to 15 centimeters. So area of the cross section is the next question, right? So we are going to say area of the whole rectangle minus area of the semicircle will give us the area of the cross section. And we all know the area of a rectangle is area of a rectangle is equal to length times the breadth, right? And we already know the length, which is this, and this is the breadth. The breadth is 4, the length is 15. Alright, so we're now going to say 4 times 15, which is going to be equal to 60. So we have 60 meter squared. So now let's find the area of the semicircle. Area of a semicircle is equal to pi r square all over 2, which is half of the area of the whole circle, is equal to the area of the semicircle. Yeah, so we already know pi, which is 22 all over 7, times the radius, the length of the diameter is 9, so half of 9 is going to be radius, which is 9 all over 2 all squared. So the whole of this we divided by 2. So we are now going to say 22 all over 7 times, 22 over 7 times 9 squared, which is 81 all over 2 squared, which is 4. So the whole of this divided by half, right? So we are going to say 22 times 81, 22 times 81 will give us 1782 divided by 7 times 4, which is 28. The whole of this multiplied by half, right? So we now say 2 goes once into 1782, which is 891. So I'm now going to say 891 divided by 28, right? Which is 31.8. 31.8 meters. So as I said, the area of the cross section is going to be area of the rectangle minus area of the semicircle. So we have the area of the semicircle as 31.8 meters square, and we already have the area of the rectangle, so we subtract the two and the difference will be the area of the cross section. So we now have 60 meters squared minus 31.8 meter squared, which is equal to 28.2 meter squared. Guys, that's the end of the solution. See you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment down below. Thank you all.